Hi, my name is Omar and my surname is Mutlu. Today I will tell you something about valuable stones. Uh, Usually they get from underground and they consist in a very long time. And they have different kinds of abilities and they are very helpful for people. They contain different elements, salts or minerals, and people make accessories or ornaments with them. And we examine them in three parts: cultivated stones, semi-cultivated stones, and uncultivated stones. Now I want to tell something about these. Cultivated stones, it's the most natural mode of a stone, and it's the biggest mode of a stone. And usually they contain a lot of crystals, and they can use their abilities a bit more than the cultivated ones. And you can see some uncultivated stones there. And about semi-cultivated stones, they are the semi-natural mode of a stone, and usually they have no ruggedness. They are smaller than the uncultivated ones. You can see some examples for that. And cultivated stones, they are very far to be the natural mode of a stone. They are the smallest mode of a valuable stones, as you can see. They are very small. And they have little cuts, and they use their abilities less than the other ones because somebody refined them. And here you can see some accessories made of valuable stones, like sapphire, emerald, diamond. They consist after volcanic eruptions, and people get them from volcanic areas. They consist after that eruption. And I think it's an interesting thing. If we do bad things or say bad things, our stones can be affected of these, and they take photos of us or these events. They keep them and they submit these to the god at the tree balance. I read this information in a book. And they can change their colors. You can see this event in an amethyst. Look at this, it's purple, but after a bad event, it gets dark. And thanks for watching. This is my watching, and now I want to say something about stones, with real stones. And here you can see an semi-cultivated stones, and it's the cultivated one. You can see the difference. It's smaller and it's beautiful, more beautiful. And these are uncultivated stones. They have crystals, as you can see. And this is the semi-cultivated ones. You can see any ruggedness on these. And I have a stone collection. I brought some stones from my collection. And I think this one. Now if you want, you can ask me some questions. Where did you buy them? I bought them from the sellers who sell stones. You can find them anywhere. You can ask someone, and I think he or she will say. And another question?
How many kinds of stones are there in the world? Is it
In the
known?
world, I think it's unknown information, but I think about 300.
Haha, you know the approximate number. Very good. About
Yes,
around three number.
approximately 300.
And you know which countries are really, let's say, interested in stones? In which country is this thing really very popular?
Usually India is
Mhm.
interested in these kind of things because they get a lot of valuable stones from the soil. I don't know its reason, but that's it. So they use a lot of ornaments and accessories to made of valuable stones.
Mhm. So did it start in that country, in India, the stone thing?
Maybe.
All right.
Yes.
And in Turkey, are there any interesting kind of stones in Turkey?
Hmm.
Yes, there's a stone which named turquoise, and another name is Turkish stone. I know first it got from Turkey, and it's blue. It's a brown. It's a brown little spots, and that's the famous valuable stone of Turkey.
So do we sell this to other countries? The stone?
Yes, we
Are they
can
interested
sell
in
this.
our
They
stone?
are interested in because in usually women use
Mhm.
a lot of accessories made of valuable stones.
Mhm.
They prefer these.
Like, is it a really valuable one comparing to these stones you brought today? Is the Turkish stone also really very valuable?
Not very valuable. It's semi-valuable. Diamond, emerald, ruby, and sapphire stones are the most value stones.
And in Turkey, in which city or which part of the country do they find the stone?
Usually they find them from, I don't know, because they get from everywhere. Everywhere you can see stones underground maybe, and
I mean, this Turkish stone, this turquoise.
Turkey is
Which city is famous for having turquoise?
having Turkeys. I don't know, but I think İzmir is.
All right.
Can I ask you a question? Is it true that every horoscope has got a lucky stone or special stone?
Yes, every month and every horoscope have its special stone. It changes, but I believe in that, and everywhere they will come.
For example, what's the lucky stone of Pisces? That's my star sign.
Pisces, and there are a lot of stones of horoscopes, but there is one stone of a month which you were born.
And do you know which one that is? I was
When
born in March.
In March, I think March is amethyst,
And so, what should we do with the stone? I mean, if I buy that kind of a stone, what will
you
happen?
can put it in your house. It changes your homes or your room style, and it sweep the negative energy in the room. It changes to its length or like this.
So, is the stone thing something new in the modern life, or like were people also interested in this in old times? Do you know the starting time? Was it before
Yes,
Christ or?
it's before Christ, but they won't cultivate or use valuable stones because they didn't know. But they use the